I don't see the sun.
Okay,
Okay, look a bit. Here guys, say hi to the people, Errol.
Hey guys, so yeah, we just have follow the road, trust me.
It's a crazy ride.
Yeah, we don't even know where I go. We just see a guy and he tell me say he's a lifeguard. A blue hole and we have to follow him, see him in front of him. Don't get paranoid guys, we know it's Jamaica. You know we're not supposed to talk to strangers.
We got his plate. If something.
No man, no plate. I think the Jamaica must go to the right place.
Okay.
We're in the mountains at OG.
It looks beautiful.
Different blue hole.
Your destination is on the right.
This is a cascade.
Cascade blue hole. We've never been here before.
It looks like we're gonna be alone here.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, look
Yeah.
how alone over there. Up in the hills, the different blue holes.
Приветики.
Blue holes.
Yeah.
Blue hole I've never seen before.
New
And station.
experience. So guys, the tour guide promised us a really nice blue water, and we're gonna see if it's really that blue. Alright, let's go guys, let's go, let's chill the place down.
Yeah man. Yeah man. So eat it.
So how much it came to?
And for eat.
Dog is so cute. Let's take the dog home.
Daddy?
You want to take him home?
Yeah.
Danny, осторожно. Wait, I'm afraid of them. Oh, it's a
Free dog! What? Free dog!
two dogs. Two male dogs, I guess. Later. Na your hands, plate slash hands.
Happy and fried dumpling.
Yes,
The
guys.
tour guide bus me past one breakfast.
Don't
So I give them a dream in our party where she eat.
I lie. Daniel, take both of them. Here. You don't have camera.
Hello.
Where are you?
Oh, Daddy.
You want to
You want to?
record? You can record.
You can manage them.
Okay. Yes, just give. Don't. Make sure you don't leave them here.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay.
You close your van.
Yes, start the way. Start the way, guys.
Guys, it's really beautiful. Yes. Little river and the blue water. It's pretty.
The water beautiful?
Daddy, careful, water. Be careful. Baby cannot push. Oh no,
Later just in the water.
sorry, Daddy. And you all I and we're gonna drop. Oh, sorry, Daddy. Okay, Daddy. Whoa. Daddy.
So you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
What does it say? It says, "Oh, welcome to Jamaica." Creative.
Come on, Daddy. I want to play Oh! Oh! Down, down. Is that leaf? Oh!
Careful.
Oh, the nice. Ah!
Errol, careful. Leo, please be careful. Watch your steps.
Hey, you did it! You did it!
Yes, guys, the steps are pretty slidey, so you have to watch out.
Whoa! Daddy! Daddy, be careful! Sit! Look!
Careful, up.
Sit! Go down! Sit! Daddy, sit! One more! Here comes!
I can hear the birds.
Water!
I can hear the nature. I can hear the birds. I can hear a lot of sounds. It feels really nice, like you're somewhere in a wild bush, but you still can be there. It's safe, guys, safe here, so nobody will jump on you, nothing like that.
Plug you to the rock. Look at the wall. Pull it back, pull it back.
Okay, I'm holding.
Where am I help you doing? Help you doing?
If you're traveling with the kids, I would advise you to take somebody to help you because it's really quite dangerous and a little bit slippery. Oh, it's so beautiful. Blue water. Looks like somebody took me to our movie. Like the decorations. The river just looks like the decorations for a James Bond movie. It's nice. A Rasta cafe, a bar. I think it works like on a normal day, but now it's closed. Wait. Ah, hello.
That's where the kids go.
Wow.
So I'm gonna left them somewhere after so.
Good job, boy. Does it look like the same blue hole we've been to, but looks like we just came from another entrance. Okay, yeah. Yeah.
It's like you show a tour guide. You go.
Alright, so that's our tour guide. He's a nice guy, guys. Link him if you're here.
Reach out to Conrad. So forward.
For my assistance.
Yeah, if you need Conrad assistance, definitely. So Conrad, can you give me a phone number? Maybe people can reach out to you.
0049.
Yeah, 0049. So yeah, guys, if you happen to come a blue hole, definitely reach out to him. Swaggy. I like it. One or two, I should have section with you.
Huh? Happen? Here. Leo, you like a puppy? You like that puppy? Come, go touch him. No problem. Go touch the puppy. Go touch the puppy. Leo.
You want to put the jacket on them?
No, you don't need.
Into the market.
Oh, but I don't know on Daniel. You see his one of him.
Yeah, we'll put on the baby.
Here, yeah.
Swaggy, see
Just
it
in
outside.
case. Here.
Leo, what are you doing? Leo, put your shoes.
No, Leo, you're gonna slide. Put it back. No. I want you to put it back.
So you want him going to the water right so fast?
I want you to put it back, Leo. Put it back.
Yeah, man.
Errol, make sure Lionel is putting back his slippers. He will slide. And the stones, juki.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. No, but am alright? Alright. Okay. So yeah, guys, kids got them life jackets.
No, it's not the water coming from.
The water is too cold.
Want to come with shoes? Take it off. So, come here, water.
I will too.
Look, go with the camera. Here, look up for this.
Where are the slippers?
Look up for the underwater.
Where are the slippers?
No, we don't have them. It's a stick, some stick, I don't know what is it.
Wow.
Look at the water.
Did you say water? Wow.
Leo, come Danny. Leo, come in the water.
The puppy can swim?
Yeah.
Uh,
That's not like water.
oh, it's cold.
Come Leo.
Wait. Daniel!
Come Leo. Cool.
You have to dip your body in one time so you're not gonna feel. Here, man. Go, daddy. Go to daddy. Лео, Даниэль, смотри, Поппи. Лео, посмотри, какая красивая собачка. Oh, people are jumping. People are jump down there. More have to jump from that something. Errol. Last time I never jumped from the one that I'm going to go down there. I know.
Come on, jump. Got it.
So people actually is jumping from there, and I am planning to go there. Last time when we came, I couldn't go there because we had kids and they were really small, and now they can stay with one parent while I'm gonna jump. Plus we have a tour guide, he's helping us.
Pull.
Alright.
Hold on. Okay, Swaggy. Swim, go across. Simple. Wait, Danny. Go on. Go on now. Swaggy baggy. Wait. Mommy's Danny, wait. Go on, you have one jacket. Yeah, Danny, we're going, wait. Go to Conrad. Swim in quite deep, you know. Yes, Danny, I know you want to go with mommy. Yeah, the water is so pretty. Water so cool, water so pretty. Wow. Danny, wait, Danny. Yes. Mommy, I go out there.
I'm feeling amazing. It's so nice, guys. You have to experience that, definitely. When you jump, it's really cold, but it just gets warmer and warmer as longer you stay in the water. It just feels nice, refreshing.
Hey, no, here. Okay.
People are jumping.
No, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. Careful what you told you.
Make sure Daniel is safe also. Jabba, hold Daniel. Here.
Okay.
Wow.
Come here, we're in some more drops. You ready?
I'm not sure if I'm gonna jump.
We don't have to be scared. We're alright.
Anyway, it's like you can't have to careful with it. He's running. It's like you're having to go up the time down.
Yeah.
Just walk on the side of the
So how it's gonna go?
1-1. See me just like
1-1? Alright. But make sure you will record me, please.
Yeah. Soon go on, Swaggy.
Okay.
Yeah. Me stay, Danny.
Everything, second.
Yeah.
What about Leo?
Go on, me stay, Danny. Walk this, walk with him. Go on. Careful, take your time.
Leo will not jump. No, I don't want Leo to jump.
No, Leo not gonna jump, Swaggy. But I'm over there with you. Danny, wait on Daddy. Wait on Mommy. Okay? Mommy, and look at that waterfalls. This is really an adventure. Danny, yeah, check out the waterfall, my boss. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Yeah. So guys, everybody, so he's swimming out. Yeah, Danny, wait, Danny. Wait on Mommy. Wait on Mommy. So everybody has them pictures and sharp. Hey, Swaggy. Danny, wait on Mommy. Wait. Yes, you're going to Danny. Yeah, Danny next. You know, the waterfalls look beautiful, beautiful. Hello. Swaggy there, the waterfalls. Trying to get up. Beautiful Jamaica. The boys are here. Waiting for Mommy. Yes, Danny?
drives car.
Your car?
But look.
Yeah?
Look.
Mommy jump like 3 times already. Oh, Leo. You painting Daddy foot?
Yeah.
Got to jump like 3 times.
Hello.
Yeah, man, ready? Swaggy, ready. Here goes the jump. Oh, water full of your ears. Danny, wait, Danny.
Go. No.
Now start. Nimani mash. And the man gets a car.
No.
See Mommy there. In the water.
I'm gonna see.
Danny, keep on.
Let's see, bigger.
Here comes Mom. Swaggy like she don't want. Swaggy like she don't want to jump again. The places.
No.
At some point I thought we were going to be the only ones here, but there's everybody here.
So I just jumped and it was scary a little bit, but you have just to know how to go inside water safely, because if you're gonna lay on your side, more than sure you're gonna hit your leg. So you have to go inside the water straight, like you have to be straight. So it's gonna be much more safer than you're gonna jump in some kind of position and you're gonna hit your head and hit your legs with your body. Yep. So now we are trying to jump with Errol. We're gonna jump together. I don't think somebody tried it before. So let's see if it's gonna work. But I think it's gonna be really nice, like beautiful. Alright, let's see. We did it. Wow. I love it. Alright guys, today we've been to a blue hole in Ochias, St. Anne, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, everything.
And make sure you visit.
Bye bye. And make sure if you go there, you jump from that bridge. Make sure.
And don't be a coward like Earl.